We take the oceans for granted. Their waves soothe us. Their depths feed us. But beneath their calm surface lies a force more powerful than we can imagine. What if, one day, Earth's oceans began to boil? Not metaphorically, not gradually, but violently, instantly, completely. Imagine waking up to find the beaches empty, not from people but from water. Steam rising like smoke, fish floating like leaves in soup, and humanity staring into a pot that's cooking itself. This is not science fiction. It's a plausible apocalypse waiting for just the right spark. In the first 24 hours, chaos begins slowly, almost beautifully. Shallow waters near the equator reach 100 degrees Celsius. Surfers watch in confusion as the sea shimmers unnaturally. Within minutes, beaches flood with steam instead of waves. Children playing in the sand scream as the ocean literally hisses at their feet. Coral reefs, once full of color, bleach and melt. Fish surface, eyes white, bellies up. Tourist boats catch fire from heat below. Salt crusts form where waves used to crash. But the worst part, no one knows what's happening yet. As the oceans heat, they unleash an invisible war into the atmosphere. Steam rises, clouds swell, but they don't rain. Instead, they trap heat. The Earth becomes a greenhouse on steroids. Humidity soars past 100%. Breathing becomes sticky, painful. Deserts grow where jungles used to be. Antarctica sees its first rainstorm. But the rain doesn't cool, it scalds. People stop looking at the forecast, because every day now says one thing: unlivable. The oceans were once home to 2.2 million species. Now, they are graveyards. Whales, those peaceful giants, scream through superheated water before their skin peels away. Sharks go blind as pressure and heat destroy their nervous systems. Octopuses twist in agony before floating to the surface, limp. Even deep-sea creatures, thought to survive anything, don't survive this. The largest extinction in Earth's history doesn't come from a comet, but from its own boiling blood. Without oceans, Earth's heartbeat stops. They regulate temperatures, trap carbon, feed clouds. But now, the system collapses. Co-levels skyrocket. Ozone layers break. Wind patterns go berserk. Tornadoes form in unusual places. Hurricanes spin wildly over vaporous seas. Even the tectonic plates feel it. With no water to cushion movement, earthquakes become common. Earth is now a machine, with all the safety valves broken. You thought tsunamis were bad. Try atmospheric drowning. Cities by the coast, New York, Tokyo, Mumbai, vanish into clouds of steam. Windows explode. People collapse from heat stroke. Glass melts. Steel bends. Skyscrapers turn into slow-cooking towers. Every AC fails. Hospitals become ovens. And the poor? They're the first to go. The human body was built to thrive in moderation. But now, moderation is extinct. At 50 degrees Celsius, the body overheats. At 60 degrees Celsius, blood thickens. At 70 degrees Celsius, internal organs shut down. People start hallucinating. Not from fever, but from cooked neurons. Water can no longer save us. It's the enemy now. Electric grids, fried. Satellites, overheated and useless. Governments, scattered and silent. The world turns to chaos. Not because of war, but because nature has declared one. Cities burn. Airports shut. Survivors live underground, whispering stories of what the sea used to be. Space agencies act fast. They launch survival capsules, not for colonization, but observation. People look down from orbit as Earth steams like a pressure cooker. The oceans are gone. Clouds replaced by smoke. Skies by silence. The moon becomes a tombstone in space. With no oceans left, Earth transforms into something alien. Cracked, glowing terrain. No blue, no green, only red and ash. Earth is now a failed experiment. A cautionary tale drifting in space, waiting for another intelligent life to pass by and wonder, what happened here? Could the oceans really boil? Yes, under extreme conditions. Nuclear war, solar megaflares, atmospheric collapse, or our own unchecked greed. Every degree we heat the Earth brings us one step closer. This isn't fantasy. It's a warning. Because the day the oceans boil is the day Earth tells us, game over.